Hi everyone, this is C6 City Electric Bike by DYU. So stay with me because I'm going to unbox this beast and I'm going to show you how amazing this City Electric. This is C6 model from DYU and it comes in two colors, white and black. My choice was white, and we're going to unwrap, remove all the packaging and then start installing the bike. However, it has a cool feature which is a basket. Probably for my own liking, I'm not going to put it on, but it's really cool if you want to carry flowers, French baguettes, or I don't know, probably even your newspaper. Why not? So as you can see, I start already placing the front wheel. Make sure it's gonna be straight and safe because you wanna have a pleasant and nice ride. So once it's done, I'm gonna come back and check back with you. The body frame of this bike is made of aluminium, which makes it very nice and pleasant, and I love all the details of this bike. Once the wheel has been dropped into the place, make sure you insert the quick release and fix it clockwise. Make sure you take your time to install it properly and read the book if you don't know how to do it, or watch this tutorial because it's super important. Make sure to remove the front screw so you can install the flashlight, which is absolutely impeccable and super bright for nighttime if you plan to ride. So make sure you install this on the front over here because it's super important for your own safety. As you can see, the flashlight has been already installed. Make sure you're gonna screw it properly so you will be safe. And as I mentioned to you before, this flashlight is super bright and safe for night rides. The C6 model comes with a battery of 12.5 amps. It's easy to remove in case of a theft, but also for charging. And it takes about 6 to 8 hours to be fully recharged. After the flashlight has been installed, now it's time to install the handlebar. Make sure you fix it properly in and then secure it. Make sure you check several times that the handlebar is straight because you don't want any issues while riding this bike. You want to be safe and nicely. And I love this amazing touch of a flashlight. It's absolutely amazing. The tires are absolutely fantastic, and to be honest, they have very strong hydraulic brakes. This is the front basket, which usually comes right here on the front of the bike. For my own liking, I'm not going to install it, but if you like that it's easy to install it. So when I'm gonna do the bike ride test, I'm not going to have the basket on. Now it's time to install the seat, which is a very comfortable seat. It's an ergonomic seat. Make sure you secure it properly. Also, the height of the seat can be adjusted accordingly to your own liking or standards. To be honest, this looks absolutely incredible, and I love this style and this seat and everything about DYU C6. It's a city electric bike, and for my own liking, this is an amazing and adorable bike. As I said to you, the frame is made of aluminium alloy and makes the bike not too heavy and perfect for the ride. Last but not least, make sure you install the pedals. They are absolutely fantastic. You have a good, nice grip over here, which is very good for not being slippery. Honestly, I actually love this bike, and it comes, as I said to you, in two colors, white and black. My choice is white. The body frame is made of aluminium, which makes the bike easy to ride, and it's not too heavy, to be honest. And overall, it's done. And what do you think, guys? Leave a comment, please, because I actually look forward to hear your thoughts. Hello guys, so this is the C6 model by DYU. It's already done, it's installed. I'm so happy and pleased with this bike. I can't tell you how much I love it, but for now, let's go for a ride test. So come with me and let's do the test. I simply adore riding the C6 model. It's so relaxing. The C6 model is a city electric bike. However, what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to test this bike on a different ground levels, like riding in the forest, going up the hills, going through the grass, going through everything possible. If this bike can make it there, it can make it anywhere. And guys, one more thing, check this out. The C6 model has incredible suspensions, and to be honest, it's a city electric bike, but the suspensions on this bike makes your riding experience an incredible one. And not just that, but actually a super relaxing one too. So what I'm going to say right now is thank you so much DYU for this incredible bike. What's really amazing about this bike is the fact that you are so relaxed when you are cycling, and I'm coming from down the valley over there, so trust me, it's so hard to walk this hill even on foot, but with a bike. So all I can say is DYU, you guys are amazing. Whoa! I actually adore this bike. This is C6 model by DYU, and guys, I can't explain you in words how amazing this bike is. Basically, it comes in two colors. Once again, it comes in black and white. My choice was white, but I don't regret choosing white. I love white. If you don't like white, then go for the black. However, the bike comes with the basket. I didn't put the basket on because of my own liking, but the basket is absolutely fantastic. And it's a city electric bike, and you need the basket most of the times. But for the ride test, I feel like I'll take it off and just do the bike test. If I'm truly honest, I recommend getting this bike from the bottom of my heart. It's absolutely fantastic, easy to install, easy to ride, and it's electric. What else would you want?